Morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Monday. How we doing? How we doing out there? Hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, welcome back. Well, it's Monday. We had a busy weekend here with GotBackup. We'll get into that in a minute, but before we do, if you haven't checked out my projects to see what I've got going on, make sure you go to this website right here, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Check it out, see what we got. All right, we're back with GotBackup again today. Had a busy weekend, guys, because there was a wonderful promotion that went on for a whole week. They've added a new program called GotBackup Pro, okay, and it ended last night midnight, that promo where everybody that was in GotBackup as a member could go in and upgrade by paying $10 more to become a pro member, all right, and save $499.97. It's a savings that you would have saved, and you'll be able to earn $200 commissions and $50 commissions with that program. All right. So anyway, it's been a busy week last week. So we're back today because I actually went back to look to see when I actually joined GotBackup. And I didn't realize it's been that long. It's been this year, but I got started in April with GotBackup. And to make a long story short, I saw GotBackup a year or two, because it's only been out about 2 years, but the parent company is over 20 years old. But I saw this a couple years ago, and again, didn't really pay it much mind when they started talking about cloud storage, because I had cloud storage with iCloud. All right. And then I was introduced to it because I'm in another program, you guys know, Sparky AI. And Sparky AI added GotBackup into their platform as one of the companies, one of the 6 companies. All right. And so once they did that, I looked more into it. And at that time, I transitioned over to GotBackup from iCloud. And so I've been with GotBackup since April. And I haven't been doing quite a lot of videos on it because it was inside of the Sparky. It still is. It's inside the Sparky platform. And I kind of pretty much was letting it do its thing, which I've earned commissions from GotBackup before through there. But since they came out with that Pro, I had to come out and talk about it. Okay, so I've been doing several videos on GotBackup and this Pro program, this new plan that they've got out. So anyway, as I stated, haven't been doing a lot of those videos, but wanted to show you guys that this thing does actually work for its commissions. I haven't been doing this because, again, I just kind of was marking it behind the scenes through Sparky, okay, which I'm going to continue to do. But since this came up and we're starting to branch out and talk more about the Pro, I just thought I'd show you guys that it does work and they pay. We got paid on Friday. They pay out every Friday. That's the other thing. And it's only it's less than $10 to really get started. So now they got 2 plans, right? Look at these real quick, and then I'll show you some commissions that I got on Friday. This is a cloud storage service that everybody needs. Okay, that's the thing that I like about it. Something different than what I've been promoting. I've been promoting digital products, right? But this is a real live service that everybody needs, because everybody's got a smartphone, and everybody or have computers, right? Or both. And you need to back them up. All right. It's critical that you do that. Otherwise, you lose your digital assets, point blank, period. Okay. There's several other companies out here. Me personally, I was with iCloud, with my Apple products, paying $9.99 a month for 2 terabytes for 1 account. And that service is only good for the Apple products. For Samsung or any other products that I may have, I cannot use iCloud. Okay. Whereas with GotBackup, I'm getting way more storage, 6 terabytes, 6 accounts for $9.97 a month, not to mention a whole marketing system, and I can get paid to refer others to this service, a service that everybody needs. No brainer for me. A whole reseller of a $9.97 a month program. And guess what? You make $20 every time you sell a $9.97 a month membership. Hello. All right. And if someone decides they want to pay yearly, because sometimes people do, they don't want the monthly, they just want to knock it out for the year. They give you 2 months free, and it's only $99.97 a year. And guess how much GotBackup pays you for that? $49, guys. This is one of the simplest businesses that I've ever seen. Okay. So anyway, they've got the family plan. So that's what I started out with. But over the last week, they came out with this GotBackup Pro last Saturday. Okay. And so when that webinar came out and I saw the owner talk about it, and he said, all you need to do is pay $10 more and you will be able to become a GotBackup Pro, okay, member and earn $200 commissions and $50 commissions, and you get all these wonderful tools. No brainer for me, because I am a digital marketer and I need tools, okay? We all need tools. You must have a marketing system. You must build your email lists. You must capture the leads of people. Not just give them your landing page for them to browse and look at, and you never capture an email, right? So that you, not only the system is going to follow up for you on your behalf, but so that you can make contact with your audience and send them emails personally. And once you have that, guys, you can promote anything, whatever you're promoting, right? You send them to your list, and if they're no longer interested, guess what? They can just click that button at the bottom that says unsubscribe. No problem. Okay? So anyway, this Pro comes with all these extra tools. Plus, you still get the family pack. Okay? The family backup pack that we normally get for $9.97 is included in this. So now we can earn $200 commissions and $50 commissions, but we get all these tools right here. So this marketing tools and these extra tools that we can actually resell and earn commissions on those too. So I decided to upgrade. So I am officially a GotBackup Pro member. Love it. Okay. So that basically leaves no money on the table to lose any money on the table, because now I'm in the top program, right? All right. Wonderful. So let's take a look here. Let me show you an email I received on Friday, because I just want to show you guys that this does work. And these commissions came in on Friday. Okay. So this was prior to even the promo, right? Because we didn't hear about that promo till Saturday. All right. And we've earned, this is not the first time I've earned commissions from GotBackup. By the way, we get a debit card too that you can request. Let me see if I can find mine real quick here. And your commissions can go on that card, guys. And that's what I do. Okay, yes, I do have it here. Let me cover it up. I'm just going to show you just a snippet of this here. You get this debit card. Okay? Check it out. All right, you get this debit card. And this is a Visa. And they can put your commissions on there. So, Friday, they sent out an email. Okay, it's every Friday is when they pay. And they say, hey, you earned some commissions. All right, so I'm going to show you guys that in a second. But check this out. You've got to check it out. You can go here. It's worth you checking into, because you've got to back up your devices anyway. Go here, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Click this image, or just come right here and click Get Started Today. Okay? So, now you have the option to earn, the opportunity to earn $20 commissions, $49 commissions, $200 commissions, and $50 commissions. All right. So this is the email they sent. Hang on. All right. I want to cover up that info down there. So as you can see right here, and this was on Friday. See, 10/3. Okay. So 5082. All right, guys. And this is before I was actually coming out here just making individual videos. Okay. So again, I was marketing this mostly through Sparky. Okay. Which means people had to go through that system. And within that system, they would see the opportunity for GotBackup. All right. So yes, they actually do pay. All right. Now, let's take a look here at the dashboard. As you can see, I'm in my dashboard. It says up here, I'm a pro plan member. This is how you'll know who's pro and who's not, but pro is the way to go. So right here, as you can see, guys, as I said, you get a whole marketing system, even for the $9.97 a month, okay? Prior to becoming a pro member, you still get that. Okay, the dashboard, check it out. I'm just going to show you real quick here. And if we go into English, you're going to see the capture pages and landing pages that they have that we can share as an affiliate marketer. These pages are coded to you. They've got banners as well that you can post. Okay, all that is here. Hang on a second. I've got some issues going on. Hold on. All right, we're back. All right, so anyway, wanted to show you real quick the dashboard here, the back office. Got backup right here. It states that you're in the members area. As you can see, you see that it says GotBackup funnel, guys. So all these pages are coded to you. You have your own coded to you affiliate link that you would be able to share out here, and it's the sales will come back to you because they're all coded to you. All right, so you've got these tools that you can use to help promote the program. We had all of this before they even came out with the Pro. For $9.97 you get all of this. Okay, the email autoresponder, these marketing funnels here. As you can see, there is the tabs will specify, like right here it says promo links. Then over here you got advertising ad copy. Let's click that. All right, let me just show you. You just copy and paste this stuff. Pre-enrollee ad copy. So you've got it here. You've got banners here, all to help you promote a service that everybody needs, a business that everybody can afford to even get started in, for low as $9.97 a month, or $99 for the whole year. Okay? Banners, social media banners. All this is here for the $9.97, guys. Okay? So as low as, and then over here to the left, you'll see everything here as well. Autoresponder. Now these are for the pro members. Okay, these features here, these tools. If you come down, it shows you my business, commissions, all the way down. Webinar replays. Your wallet is here. Merchandise. A marketplace. Join the social media Facebook group. But everything you need is right here. $9.97. Okay. Now, of course, if you want to upgrade, that opportunity is here as well, as I stated, right? $499.97 for a business model. Definitely for the marketers, okay? If you're a marketer out here online, you definitely will benefit from this, okay? Because all the tools that you're going to get, you're not going to have to worry about an autoresponder, building capture pages. It's all here. All right, and you'll be able to earn $200 commissions. This is scaling up your business. $200 commissions and $50 commissions. Okay, because with this one, let's come down here and kind of show you with the Pro everything you get. This is everything you get with the Pro. And then here's the commissions. Okay, right here. If you go Pro, guys, you earn $200 commissions on Tier 1. And then Tier 2, you earn $50 commissions. When your Tier 2 person sells a Pro membership, they earn $200, you earn $50. Then Tier 3, when your Level 2 members promote the Pro, and they earn 200, you earn 50. Okay, so tier 2 and tier 3. Okay, so you're earning $200 commissions and $50 commissions. Okay, and then the 50 are just passive because your members are promoting the Pro. Okay, and because of them, you're going to just earn the $50 as a bonus. Okay, so awesome program. Awesome program is lead generation. You're getting tools. You're getting the email, autoresponder, the funnels, everything you need, a business in a box. Okay? So, just want to come back and show you guys that. Go check it out. Again, worst case, you can get started, guys, for $9.97, and you can earn $20 commissions every time you sell a $9.97 membership. Or if your folks decide they want to pay $99.97 a month, you get $49. They get 2 months free. Okay, so that's $20 commissions, $49 commissions, and over here as a pro, you earn $200 commissions and the $50 commissions on 2 tiers. All right, so an awesome service to have, number one, and then just referring people to a service that everybody needs is number 2. Okay, so awesome plan. So go check it out. Come here, go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Go to this little picture here. You can click the image or click Get Started. All right. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.